this, whatever is here, I've not seen this. But we're going to turn this into a film. Listen, let me read out what I see. Kendra is the name of a character. The teacher is weird. The light turns off, and when the light turns on, she is in front of everyone. She can draw, what? What's that? She killed the real teacher so that she has the place. She locked the door with a key. The students killed the teacher and hide the body. Okay? Blah, 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 blah. Fine. Hold on to that. Now, we are going to try and transform that idea into a story. Because it's a short workshop, I'm not going to be able to take you into extensive story writing techniques, script writing techniques. I'll just pick one technique to help you quickly give us something we can use. There's, in script writing, we have different styles. There's a 3-structure script writing, there's a 5-structure writing technique. But we're going to work with the 3-structure, you know, 3-part structure one, which is very easy to understand. This story has to have a beginning, have a middle, and have an ending. That's a 3-part structure, okay? That's how we're going to write it. So, you know what is there now, you've heard it, you're going to start thinking, how do we start the film? What do we want to see happen?
The introduction of character.
You tell me, you talk to yourself now. Work has started. Give the man paper. Start putting the ideas together, okay? Now, I would have loved to also teach you the professional formatting of script writing, okay? But let me just put it down quickly so you can follow that. Okay, this is just a sample. Now, you always, when you're writing a script, right, you will always have to state your location, interior or exterior, okay? Sometimes interior and exterior. If I have a camera outside the window now and she's standing outside the window looking at us, we'll be having exterior and interior because there's a transparent window wall, but there's still exterior and interior, and we can still move the camera in here and we still be in one location. So for the purpose of that, I want to say here exterior. You have to learn to put that in. So that tells us where we are going to shoot. We're going to shoot outside, for instance. Then we're going to say name of location. Okay, exterior. What's that thing called? Corridor? Is that what you call it, corridor in French?
Couloir. Couloir.
Couloir, okay. Corridor. Let's use corridor. Okay. Yeah. Exterior. Corridor. It tells you where we are going to, right? Then you do